EVO firmware 1.58.8 and later incorporates many advancements, the most noticeable being a significant noise reduction. By employing a new stepper motor control algorithm, all EVOs are now much quieter and smoother than ever before. In addition, the stepper motors draw less current, resulting in cooler and more reliable operation. Homing speeds are also increased to speed up time to print. Auto leveling control is refined to more precisely control pull contact points between the hot end and bed rails, and side fan operation is revised to minimize impact on hot end temperatures, particularly important when printing with ABS, PLA, and TPU or TPE. We will now show how much quieter the new firmware is compared to the old. For best results, turn up the volume on your speakers or put on headphones.
Mm-hmm.